Very good morning. Welcome to Sri Padmavati Central School, Ainapur. I, Mr. Bajrang Suryavanshi, the principal of the school, would like to show you the infrastructure of our school. This is main entrance of our school, which is meant by 24 into 7 security guard. Now, let's have a glance over the school compound wall. The school is fully covered and protected by Pakka boundary wall on all four sides of the building. This is our school ramp, which has a fully adjustable design. Here is the entranceway of our school. The school has a beautiful entranceway, welcoming all the children, teachers, and parents by beautifully decorated garden at center and both the sides along the catchy slogans written on the lamp poles. It is very beautiful to see as well as to enjoy the time in the school along with the beautiful nature of our school. Look at the school name board which is hang on the top of the building. Look at the parking facility of our school. This is the parking facility which has sufficient place for parking all the school buses and other vehicles of the teachers as well as parents separately labeled at the different corners. Now we are at the building entrance lobby. The school is taking safety measures very seriously to avoid the spread of pandemic COVID-19 by sanitizing and thermal checkups at the entrance. We have a reception counter, notice board, students' desk, and the day of every child will start by the blessings of Goddess as well as the youth icon Swami Vivekananda ji. Now, I would like to welcome you to the office of our school, which is situated at the right side of the entrance lobby of our school. The school installed the fire extinguisher cylinders at every required places. School maintains hygiene and cleanliness and provide safe drinking mineral water facilities at every corner of the school. Now let's have a look over the classrooms. The school has sufficient classrooms for the students. Classrooms help students and teachers organize students' work, boost collaboration and foster better communication. We have different classrooms equipped with well furnished desks, ventilated rooms, fine boards. The school has some additional classrooms equipped with smart boards and projectors which are to be used for fun activities or other competitions of our students. School has separate toilets for boys and girls which has restroom rules board, also equipped with a mirror, paper towel, soap, tap, as well as multiple urinals and separate toilets. Our school has CC camera installed at every corner and all the footage are maintained in the administrative room which will be checked regularly and updated soon. Now let us have a glance over our school corridor which is very beautiful as well as protected by the grills to the next side. The school has very spacious and properly ventilated staff room. Each teacher is given a personal space to keep their reference books of teaching. School has dedicated facilities for math lab which has wide equipments covering multiple topics across classes to remove math phobia from students. We have many charts of those maths activities hang on the walls of all the sites. The school has facilitated with composite science lab. It has well-equipped models of chemistry, physics and biology. And also sufficient charts are present in lab to facilitate learning process. Sufficient number of students can perform practical at one time. A laboratory promotes the spirit of investigation and testing. This wonderful science composite lab of our school helps our students to learn about the science practically and very interestingly. Now, I would like to welcome you to our trust office. We have strong 15 foundation pillars of our trust. They are always cooperative and inspirational to all the members of our school. The school has well-built computer lab with around 25 computer systems installed, which help enhance the scientific and technological research capacity of our students. Now, let's move to the world of knowledge, that is library. Our school has well-equipped library with wide variety of books, which includes various reference materials, encyclopedia, handbook, storybooks, and so on. These books are treasure of knowledge, help our students to update their mental ability and appear different competitive exams in their forehead life. Now, let's welcome to Wellness Room. Our school has a wellness room which provide student with an opportunity to focus on reducing stress and anxiety. Here, the students will be relaxed during the tension or any health illness, which will be guided by our wellness teacher. Now, let's have a glance over multipurpose hall. Our school has such a big hall for indoor games as well as other activities. There are n number of sports materials which made available to our students to develop them physically as well as mentally strong. Our sports teacher guide and train our students to play the indoor games to make their mind very sharper and compete with the competitors. Our school has a big playground for the sports like basketball, tennis, volleyball, kabaddi, athletics, etc. This ground is also served as assembly point. On every morning, all the students assemble at the assembly point and perform all the assembly activities.